Barbacoas High School was founded on January 21st, 2005. It is located in Barbacoas, Puriscal, 5 kilometers west of Santiago, which is the main town of Puriscal City, in San Jose. This high school belongs to a new kind of educational model called educational innovations. In the present, the high school registers 352 students. One of the most complex problems that mathematics teaching faces has to do with the way the topics are articulated with the other areas of knowledge. Most of the topics are disconnected from real world and sciences, which has a consequence that students do not conceive how important are mathematics in their education. Generally used, and they are not easily appreciated by our senses. That difficulty makes them lack of meaning because they are not represented. Using the computational tool of GeoGebra for teaching functions and their application in the construction of mathematical models that explain certain physical phenomena present in the different fields of knowledge is a learning experience with students where the application of GeoGebra was made to model through functions mathematical problems of the real environment and related to specific fields of knowledge, allowing them, besides from the development of the mathematical competence of modeling, achieve a greater level of generalization and abstraction of the function concept that the one achieved with the traditional resources of pen and paper. This because GeoGebra reduced an effort in the algebraic and geometric procedures and focused on the cognitive effort in the process of semantic understanding of the mathematical concept and the relationships and connections between the mathematical model and the situational model. GeoGebra tool plays an important role in simulations of physical phenomena, allowing to move ideas into images that can be appreciated by our senses. This is intended to give meaning to an abstract understanding of these physical phenomena. To generate visual representations of the concepts used in physics, it is convenient to present visual experiments showing true real phenomena that show fundamental ideas set forth in these concepts. The results obtained evidence that a mathematic work based on modeling and simulation of phenomenon allowed to develop a series of skills required in today's world, coinciding with the research made. In this regard, we note that classroom work placed in mathematics in context has allowed to regulate the difficulties and obstacles presented at the beginning. The power of modeling through continuous regulation underscores the real progress of students, generating a significant change in the math concepts in all aspects.
Thanks to the use of GeoGebra, we can now solve math and physics questions that in other ways were too complicated to solve. But now we can present them in a much easier and faster way.